What's going on, you guys? I'm the ADHD gardener here, and I'm going to be picking a radish. Now, normally, yes, everybody eats radishes and whatnot. It's the most basic thing to grow. However, I don't eat radishes. I don't even know what they taste like. However, of course, I like to expand my garden and I like to try new veggies. So I'm growing radishes and I think one is ready, and it reminds me of the Pokemon Oddish. It's so cute, but I am gonna pick it. I know radishes are really simple and a basic vegetable that everybody grows. But if you're coming from the inner city, gardening in general is not really talked about. Gardening in general is not really promoted. So when I'm growing new vegetables, I get really excited because, man, it's just knowing that I'm growing my own food. That is what's up. And I'm telling you, it's just nothing better than growing your own food versus going to a store. I'm not trying to be in a food desert no more. I'm growing my own. And now let's go check out my excitement about a freaking radish. These are my zucchinis. This is my sunflower, but we got to get that out the way. Look at that, dude. I am so freaking happy. Now, normally, yes, I know nobody else would be this freaking happy about a radish, but I am. I never grew radishes before. And dude, it looks like it's ready. Yo, what? I know, I'm way too excited about a radish, but guess what? It's my first radish, and I don't even know what a radish tastes like. If you guys know what a radish tastes like, let me know down in the comments below. But dude, I'm so happy. It's the little things in life that make me happy, and this is what you have to treasure. The small things, the small accomplishments. That is what garden therapy is all about. I'm running off of endorphins right now, yo. I grew my first radish. Listen, city people can do it too, okay? I'm growing a radish, people. I'm growing a radish. Don't even know what it tastes like, but I'm gonna find out. I'm just so happy. Why? Because I grew it myself. I grew it organically. I put my blood, sweat, and tears up in this, and it rewards you with food. That's the point of horticulture therapy. You learn about yourself and you grow food at the same time. While the plants are growing, you as a person are growing too. I know that sounds cheesy, but it's true. And that's the whole point of therapy in general. We just want self-improvement. We just want to make ourselves better. We want to learn more, improve everything. And that is what gardening and horticulture therapy is all about. I love you guys. Peace and love. Me and the radish are going to be chilling, and I'm going to find a way how to eat this thing. See ya.